This is Group 4's presentation. My name is Genevieve Stickney.
Lauren Ingram.
And my name's Laura Jones.
Our article is an evaluation of 3 methods of saying no to avoid an escalating response class hierarchy.
The participant was a 13-year-old boy diagnosed with Waardenburg syndrome type 1 and high-functioning autism. All sessions were conducted in Phillips Classroom at the residential school for children with behavior disorders that he attended.
So the dependent variables were the oppositional vocalization, loud vocalization, disruptions, aggression or threat of aggression, and the independent variables were no with an explanation, no with an explanation and alternative, and yes with the contingency.
The DV was measured by 2 means, latency and duration. Latency was measured with a stopwatch. Duration was measured with a 10-second partial interval recording. The different observers collected data on the DV. According to their findings, the mean agreement for the functional analysis was 100%. The mean agreement during the treatment evaluation sessions was 96% for the latency measurements and 97% for the partial interval data. According to the minimum standards for IOA, since both were above 80%, they met the IOA standards.
The design. The 4 target behaviors were observed under 4 different conditions. The therapist also switched between 2 responses: A, no with explanation; B, no with explanation and alternative; and C, yes with contingency. Data was collected on 1 behavior per session. A reinforcement schedule was given for each contingency, and extinction procedures were used for any instance of the defined problematic behavior. An ABA design was used.
The results showed that no with explanation with given alternative reinforcer showed a decrease in problematic behaviors. Yes with the contingency also shown a decrease in problematic behavior. They also found there to be a RCH for the participants' problematic behavior. The study had their prediction of an RCH with problematic behavior being maintained by positive, tangible reinforcement. All procedures and contingencies were given in full detail, allowing for repeatability of the study. Functional analysis and proper data analysis procedure promoted verification for predictions. The DV was socially important.
And this is our reference.